not very effective. I mean it's effective, but you could definitely do it. Whoops. And welcome back to another episode of Travis Does Firewood. It's still balls cold, but we're getting some thawing happening. Some thawing. We have a suspected rain or snow mix starting like as soon as like 6 p.m. tonight. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe the cold snap is complete. Maybe this is the coldest time of the winter for this area. Who knows? But I do know that I sold a butt ton of firewood, and I'm happy about that. Definitely relieved that it's almost over. But I'd rather sell a little bit than going like full blast to sell. So yeah. So welcome back. This is another installment of different ways to split firewood, and this episode was kind of like the catalyst, the idea of me wanting to do a series. And we'll be doing, wait for it, ready? Jackhammers. Let's do it. Alright, so this is not something too new, but I saw the idea, and by the time that I got on to filming this, it had already been done. But I will say what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using two different ones here, maybe two different type of bits, and these are not new machines. These are used and abused. My dad used to work construction. He had his own company doing residential and commercial work, remodels to building houses, etc. And he definitely had a bunch. He has a bunch of tools left over from working. So I'm borrowing these from my dad. So this is gonna be a Makita here, and then this is gonna be a Bosch. Let's go open these bad boys up and see what we have. These old metal boxes and these clasps don't work anymore, so you have to kind of wire them shut. So I definitely have used these two tools a lot when I was younger and even now. So this would be the small one, like a roto type hammer. Makita, definitely used and abused. So we'll use that one probably first, and then the Bosch. Open this one up and show it to you. This is gonna be the next size. The next size up here. Like here, this is gonna be maybe this is Makita. What does this say? The color is Makita. Anyway, that's this size. So we have two sizes of jackhammers. We're gonna lube up the bit, and we're gonna try to split these rounds. So, what do you think? Is this gonna be exciting? Are you excited? Are you jazzed? This is a cool experiment. This is something different. If you had nothing else to use, and all you have is jackhammers, why not do jackhammers? Should we try it? Rock and roll, let's do it. Wow! All right. So for the small one, we're gonna be using this smaller tip. It's definitely have been used and abused. No like chips in it, but I don't think I need to have this be too sharp to split. So we'll be splitting this cedar round. So let's get all set up. The bit, the indentation, see the indentation towards the pin, and then we turn this bad boy like that, and that's locked in place. All right, so that's in there. I'll pop a fuse with the cord here, like that. Okay, so put this over on the ground for a second. Close this. And safety first. I don't think I need goggles, but I'm using these earmuffs, so take off the hat, put these bad boys on. Rah! I'm gonna stop for a second, show you. There's a split. I have a split. Come on. This round's not that heavy. It's just. Okay, see? I don't know if you can see that or not. You see that right there? I got a crack. So I'm trying to, as you do with an axe, trying to go for the edges and have a branch like right here. So I want to stay clear of it so I can split this. So this is for demonstration only, obviously, just for, we're having fun, folks, right? Yeah! But have a split like right there, so let's keep going. did it. Got that piece off at the surface. Well, that's wet. That's definitely some green cedar there. Granted, okay, so granted we were just at the edge, so not the best example, but let's go a little bit more inland with this bit, and let's try it again. You with me? Let's do this. Nice. Whew. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm surprised that this little bit was able to do that. It's not too warm. Not too warm. Definitely not too blunt. Not too sharp an object for this paddle bit here. But not too bad. Not too bad. So I think I'm gonna switch over to the big one, and I'll show you that bit in a moment. All right, for this medium-sized one, I think this may be a Bosch. Yeah, it's a Bosch. Even though the color scheme looked like Makita, Bosch had the same color scheme back in the day. Anyway, this is the bit that I want to try. This like paddle bit. That's definitely a blunt edge. So I'm thinking I may need to sharpen this for this demonstration, but we're gonna try. This is a new face of the cedar. I don't see any knots or branches. There's snow, so I'm gonna start here, and then no, I think I'm gonna go right here, and then try to see if this one is a little bigger, a little more power with a bigger bit. I'm gonna see what this bit's gonna do. So yeah, let's put this bad boy in. Turn it. Alright. Alrighty. Let's see if this works. Oh, not plugged in. Hang on. Hang on. Hold on. Wow. Okay. This one, switch. Oh, wrong end. This one. This cord. Trying to always fight with the cord and get it behind me, because you don't want to, obviously you don't want to stab the jackhammer with the cord, because it has happened to us before in the past, and it sucks. It's not fun. So see if this works now. See this on? Yeah. Okay. Ear protection on. Try it again. that was awesome. That was awesome. I thought that this blade was gonna be too blunt to even do any damage to this. But you could tell. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, you're not at. Sorry, you weren't panned down. But as at the very beginning, it was like all the moisture. It looked like goo and slop, just from like all the friction to get started. And then once it got to a certain point, it was smooth sailing down. Man, oh, that was cool. Let me pan you back a little bit so you can see more of this shot. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's go back a little bit further. Same face. Let's go back a little bit further with this. And I thought I was gonna have to sharpen this, but this seems to be working fine. So let's just keep going on this one more time, and we'll see how it does. We'll see how it does. Yeah, we'll see how it does. Victory. All right, so what did we learn today, boys and girls? Today we learned that when you're a little bit crazy, a little bit Jack Nicholson Shining type thing with your Here's Johnny axe, but we're not using Here's Johnny axe today. We're using power tools. Now, I could have gotten up one more notch with the other jackhammer, the one that you use with two hands, with two handles, and I don't think that one comes with a flat bit like these two. I think it's more like a pointed job. And these two here are good for chipping up tile work. I definitely have done a lot of jackhammering in my day with these two tools. In the past, I've definitely seen better days under houses, in ditches, etc. But I thought it would be fun. That'd be cool to show you that yes, just in fact, you can use jackhammers and you can split wood. Definitely not very effective. I mean it's effective, but you could definitely do it. Whoops. You do a lot faster with an axe. You could do it with the wood splitter, and maybe even faster. There are slower ways to split, probably with that hydraulic press I did for the first episode. That thing is for the birds. I mean, to each their own, right? I mean, that's just my opinion. But these two tools here, I think showed us that yes, jackhammers can do the job. Not at every job, but just a fun experiment, something crazy, something nuts, something interesting. So, I had these available, had an idea, and ran with it. So, quick little video for you, just kind of out there for you to just kind of think about something fun. I hope that you can reminisce, and I hope that you enjoyed this. So stay safe out there. Keep cutting, and I'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.